Hey guys, it's me UBprogrammer here, and today I am back with another project which is traffic sign classification system, or you can say traffic sign detection system, right? So let's just run our Flask app and see what we have built, right? And if I run my app.py, I am getting warnings because I don't have GPU setup on my machine, and so let's just ignore that because we have already trained our model on Colab, right? And you can see our user interface of the model, which is quite simple because we just wanna deploy it on Flask somehow, right? And what the project description says, like upload the image of a traffic symbol and we will predict what it means, right? Our machine learning model predict what it means, right? We obviously know that. And if we choose image of this symbol which is turned right, right, we obviously know that, but let's see if our machine knows that, or if our machine learning model predicts it's right or not, right? So you can see the traffic sign means turn right ahead, right? And I have used like bootstrap mainly for the css part, so because I just want to focus on the deep learning part, right? Coding. And if I just do prediction on another image, just turn left ahead obviously, and it is given turn left. And then I just run one more, and you can see it is a blurry image, but our machine learning model can predict it, right? This speed limit 50 kilometer per hour, and see it, right? So let's just see our code, and first of all fill our terminal, and here notebook, right? Okay, so here I just ported the libraries which I will be using in the project ahead, and then I am loading my dataset. And this part, the training part, I have done on the Colab, right? Because obviously it is CNN, a heavy model, and the dataset was also huge, and I can't like execute on my own machine because of like I don't have GPU and hardware. So you can see the classes in our dataset. So let's just uh, show you this. Yeah. So we have like classes, and I have put it in a dictionary. 43 classes we have in our project, and you can see each class contain different set of images within it, right? So you can see 20 kilometer per head speed limit is one class which contains the images of that particular class, right? And just like that, we have 43 images, 43 classes which have different set of images for themselves, right? And then we just printed the distribution, or plotted the distribution to see if our data set is how much balanced and not. So we are uh, getting the idea it is balanced, and we will keep like care of that, take care of that. And here just I'm just like making a pipeline for uh, feeding the images to our model, right? And then uh, I have here. So I have like printed the model load summary, and you can see the layers and uh, other parameters of CNN which I have used, and then I have just fit this model on our data set, and I have entered accuracy somewhere. Yes, so 97% was the accuracy score which I got, and this can be like obviously improved by using other techniques, hyperparameter tuning and things like that. and grid search CV can also be helpful in this case, but I was happy with the 97%, and we can just deploy it on Flask, right? So to save our model, I use like a model.save, and then just save my model as my model.h5 file, right? And from this model, I can just load it anywhere and make some predictions on new images, right? So here I am like uh, making predictions. So I just load my model here and then make a prediction on that image, and you can see I am getting uh, this predicted sign belong to 34 class. So if I just check 34 class, it is turned left ahead, and this was the image was also the turn left ahead. So uh, and that's how we are like getting predictions, and then I just deployed it on a Flask app, and you can see here I am just uh, getting the result as the integer, which is like uh, classes is the dictionary here, and I am like getting this number from my model, right? Model prediction. So I'm just passing this number into the classes to get the string, right? I hope you like know that. And if you like wanna discuss about the source code and other things about this project or any other project like that, you can always contact me from the numbers, WhatsApp number, and email in the description below, and we can just arrange a particular Zoom explainer session. And then what we have, yeah, let me show you the templates. So this is our bootstrap, and you can see we are like getting the input as a file and then saving it in our static directory, right? As we have configured it here, right? The upload folder is static, and then we are showing this as a sign name, which is passed as result, right? So the result is the string, and we are passing it as the sign name in our uploader uh, template, right? So, and this is the input image. We have also like passing it from here, right? And this image will be like obviously inserted or uploaded by the user, right? So, and this was the user interface. So this was it, guys, and let me know if you wanna uh, know more about this project or any other project like that, or maybe wanna get the source code to somewhere. And you can like always contact me on this WhatsApp number, or maybe mail me at this number with my website, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks.